It exempts so many African Americans. Something has to change there.
Northeast Ohio's second largest police force facing serious scrutiny tonight.
Minority recruitment issues, community policing, and officer accountability at the Akron Police Department are now under examination. The tragic police-involved death of George Floyd and civil unrest gripping the nation led Akron to conduct a series of special meetings on public safety.
Now at News 5, we have heard your concerns about police conduct, so 5 on Your Side investigator Joe Paganakis goes in depth as Akron works to reimagine its safety forces.
Well, the Akron Police Department is trying to be proactive. The Zoom meetings are made up of experts, Akron City Council members, and key police staff who are trying to address policing issues.
First, I want to talk a little bit about civilian oversight.
The Akron Police Reimagining work groups are broadcast live on YouTube. Akron City Council members say the meetings uncovered police department issues and leads on solutions.
I think it really honestly starts all the way back at the hiring process.
Councilwoman Tara Mosley Samples pointed to minority recruitment issues. The meetings revealed Akron has 458 officers, 93% are male, 81% are white, and just 17% are black, in a city that has a population that is more than 30% African American. Samples says the city needs to find more minority police cadets.
When you're disqualifying individuals because of a credit check, or because they had a misdemeanor, maybe a marijuana charge when they were younger, most of those individuals are African American.
Ward 4 Councilman Russell Neal says the department needs to reinstitute dedicated community police officers, add social workers, and 2 full-time mental health workers for each ward. Our News 5 partners at the Akron Beacon Journal determined the department's police auditor does not have access to software that would give him data on how often police officers receive complaints, use force, or fire their weapons.
He's a one-man team. You can't do that kind of research. We need to fully staff, fully fund that department.
Meanwhile, Akron Police revealed it is working on tech improvements, including e-ticketing, the use of drones during investigations, and an online reporting system that would give residents access to report low-level crimes.
And allow the patrol officers working those districts to interact with the community members more, but more importantly, respond to the higher priority calls for service.
And the 4 committees on reimagining public safety will meet 3 more times and look to create a list of police reform recommendations on December 7th. A link to those meetings posted right now on news5cleveland.com, or you can use our News 5 app. I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Joe Paganakis.